hanashimasu means talk, speak, or tell. And this verb word is used with either to or ni. Then, what is the difference between to and ni? Which particle should be used? The particle to indicates the togetherness. So, 友達と話します means speaking with your friends. You and your friend enjoy a conversation. The particle ni indicates the direction of the action. So, 友達に話します means talking to friends. You talk to your friend, and your friend listens to you. One tiny particle makes a huge difference. Now you can use them confidently. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like the video. Do you know someone who might be interested in this video? Please share. If you're interested in learning authentic Japanese, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell mark. You can get the notification when I upload a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you soon. またね